Hey kids, I am Fargo. Today we are going to learn about farm animals and wild animals. This is a cow, and she lives on the farm with people. Cows give us milk and love to eat grass. This is a lion. He lives in the wild, far away from farms. Lions are strong hunters. This is a hen. She lives on the farm and gives us eggs. This is an elephant. He lives in the wild and uses his trunk to eat and drink. This is a horse. He lives on the farm and helps people by carrying loads or running fast. This is a tiger. He lives in the wild and is a powerful hunter. This is a sheep. She lives on the farm and gives us warm wool. This is a bear. He lives in the wild and loves to eat fish and berries. Today we learned about farm animals and wild animals. I'll see you in the next video, kids.